Have you ever looked out at the ocean and wondered just how deep it really is? I mean, we know it's deep, but how deep exactly? Well, get ready to dive into the depths of the ocean as we explore just how deep it really is. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, and its depth varies greatly depending on where you are. Let's start with the shallowest parts of the ocean, the continental shelves. These are the parts of the ocean that are closest to land and are usually less than 200 meters deep. This is where you'll find most of the life in the ocean, including coral reefs, fish, and other marine animals. But as you move away from the coast, things start to get much deeper. The ocean floor is made up of several different features, including underwater mountains, deep trenches, and vast plains. In fact, the average depth of the ocean is around 3,800 meters, and the deepest part of the ocean, the Mariana Trench, is over 11 kilometers deep. To put that into perspective, if you were to stack the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, on top of itself 5 times, it still wouldn't reach the bottom of the Mariana Trench. That's how deep it is. Exploring the deep ocean is not an easy task, but with the help of technology like submarines, we've been able to learn a lot about what lies beneath the surface. In fact, there are many strange and fascinating creatures that live in the deep ocean that we've only recently discovered. Take for example this bioluminescent jellyfish. It uses light to attract its prey and is just one of many species that have adapted to living in the dark depths of the ocean. And then there's the giant squid, a creature that was once thought to be a myth. It wasn't until the late 1800s that a dead giant squid washed up on shore and confirmed that it was indeed real. But even with all of the technology we have, there is still so much we don't know about the ocean. In fact, we've only explored about 5% of the ocean floor, which means there is still 95% left to discover. One of the most fascinating things we've discovered is underwater volcanic activity. These deep-sea volcanoes, also known as hydrothermal vents, are hotspots of biodiversity and are home to some of the most unique and unusual creatures on the planet. But the ocean's depth also poses several challenges. The pressure at the bottom of the ocean is so intense that it can crush even the strongest structures. That's why exploring the ocean's deepest depths requires specialized equipment that can withstand the pressure. Even then, the risks are high, and accidents can be deadly. Despite these challenges, scientists and researchers continue to push the boundaries of what we know about the ocean. By studying the depths of the ocean, we can learn more about our planet's history and even uncover new sources of energy and minerals. As we continue to explore and learn more about the ocean, we also need to be aware of how we're impacting it. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are just a few of the issues that are threatening the health of our oceans. It's important that we all do our part to protect the ocean and the creatures that call it home. Because when we take care of the ocean, we're also taking care of ourselves. So the next time you look out at the ocean, remember that there is so much more to it than meets the eye. And while we may never fully understand all of its mysteries, we can continue to explore, learn, and protect it for generations to come. Because the ocean is not just a part of our planet, it's a part of us. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the depths of the ocean. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel for more exciting videos.